Vintage Remnants is a paper collection from our friends at 49th and Market, and like all of their papers, it is smashing. Now you can see that this cover sheet is giving you a snapshot of each of the 10 different papers, but the back of it is also a page that you can use. So let me show you these. As the name implies, Vintage Remnants, you're going to get this very old vintage feeling, some distressing, some really, really pretty things. And as you can see, oh, isn't that lovely with the lace in there and on the back side? You can see that these colors are really neutral, and they're going to go with a lot of things. They're also along the bottom. On one side, you get their UPC code, but on the other side, you can trim that off and let that become a border, as you can see. So, oh, isn't that pretty with all the lace? Antiques right there. And on the back side, now here's when we start picking up some subtle shades of color. And here we've got some greens in the background, as you can see, a darker one that's going to work well. Then we get into some florals just on the edges, just oh so pretty. Now, if you're a scrapbooker, you can see that that middle area is going to be perfect for your photos, your embellishments. Card makers, I want to tell you, every single 12 by 12 sheet, you can make 4 cards. So you can bring one here, take that as a section, down here, and up there. So you too can really make use of papers like this. Oh, nice, all really crinkled paper. Here we've got words and some tiles, lots of layering, which is always fun. Ooh, pretty, very big one. A row of butterflies along the bottom. And we can see some tile here. And let me flip this over. These are printed on a cardstock, so they're really very, very sturdy. Isn't that pretty? And boy, as a card maker, I can really see ways to use that. And we've got the darker tones on the back. And we have this one and some blues coming in here. Probably it's a good time to point out that they do have flowers that match. There are packages, and there's 29 flowers in each one. They're paper flowers, and it's nice because they're very crushable. So meaning that they're really going to pop back up and work well. There we go into the aquas and the pinks. And here's some of the pink flowers that they have. And on the back side of that, so you can see just some really very unique looks. Something else I want to bring in is, let's see, I'll go ahead and bring in all the flowers. So cotton, bluebell, so you can see all of these. They each have 29 in a package. And there are a couple of different sizes. Leaves are included, so you can attach those to your projects and they'll do well. Something else that I really appreciate is this white laser cut chipboard. There are many pieces on it, and it's perfect for collaging onto your scrapbook pages or your cards. This is called Happy Moments. There's also this, which is great outdoors. And I love having that chicken wire. And then there's also this with all of the gears and so forth. That's something else, is that their papers really lend themselves to masculine as well as feminine themes. So that's going to play well. So 49th and Market, we are delighted to have you at paperwishes.com.